Yeah. Tell me now, sir. What is the problem, sir? Mangal
Sir,
Kumar,
the
sir.
phone number that you are currently talking to me, nine
Yes.
double zero 303 9911. This phone number will be deactivated within 2 hours, sir. Why? Because
Uh, okay, okay.
your
Deactivate.
registration phone number,
Okay, sir. I will contact.
sorry,
I will contact Geo, sir. Geo number. This is my Geo number. I will contact Geo office, sir.
sir, within 2 hours, your phone
That
number
is okay,
also
sir. Not a problem.
deactivated, sir.
I will contact the Geo office, sir. I'm going to Geo office now.
Okay, sir.